Guys, we are here in Old Harbour. We are in Church Pen, and I have a customer here who would like to say hi to you guys.
Hi.
This is, can I say your name? This is Devanique, guys. Devanique is one of our long-time customers. Devanique, this is the first time I'm delivering to you, right?
Yes.
Your rider normally comes to you,
Yes.
and I'm happy I'm delivering to you today. I like to meet and greet our customers. Yeah? You like the service so far?
Yes, it's great.
It's great. We bring come to your yard, come give it to you, right?
Right at my doorstep.
That is nice. You know, if you travel and go nowhere if you pick up package, it comes straight to your yard. Wow. Isn't that lovely?
It is.
Alright. Would you recommend other persons to join us?
Most likely.
Yeah, you're a platinum member?
Yes, I am.
Good, so you get your free shipping?
Yep.
Yeah, nice. Nice, and I'm sure the folks are going to enjoy this little chat with you. Alright, can you say bye to the folks for me, please?